Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a bootable recovery USB. This is faster than guessing passwords and lets you repair system files. Once done, plug it into the locked PC and restart. Press F12 or open UEFI settings to boot from USB. Make sure the target disk is visible and stable because you will access command tools next. You need another working PC to create the USB. This step is essential because Windows won't let you reset local credentials without external recovery media. After booting to recovery, choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt to run commands. You'll rename Utilman, exe and copy cmd, exe to Utilman, exe so the Ease of Access button launches a system prompt. This works because recovery runs outside the locked user session. Once you finish the file operations and restart normally, click the Ease of Access icon to open an elevated command window. This provides admin-level access to manage local accounts without logging in first. With the elevated prompt open, type NetUser followed by the account name and the new password. This immediately updates the local account so you can sign in. Once you confirm login works, restore the original Utilman. Exe file from the backup you created, remove the USB, and reboot normally to avoid leaving a security bypass. If this fails, make sure Secure Boot or disk encryption isn't blocking changes. If BitLocker is enabled, you'll need the recovery key, or use an offline NT password tool as an alternative troubleshooting option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.